Hey guys, welcome back to our vegan kitchen. I hope your Veganuary is going great. Ours is.
I'm having a good time so far.
I am having a great time. I'm not having a good time. I'm having a great time. So today, I thought I'd do a quick and dirty recipe for you. It's kind of a combination of a quick recipe, a veganization of a recipe that I used to have as a go-to recipe all the time. People used to rave about my quiches.
That's so quiche, babe.
Also, it's a product tryout, kind of. We have been enjoying Just Egg, and then one of the last times we went to go buy Just Egg at our health food store, we saw this next to it, Simply Eggless.
This is not sponsored.
No. And it says right on there, bake, fry, scramble, and we said, okay, we'll give it a shot. We'll quiche it. Will it quiche? We'll see. But this was significantly cheaper than the Just Egg. The last time we saw it, anyway. I've heard online that it's on sale recently, and it's really come down in price, even cheaper than I thought I had to scoop on.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm basically going to do like a one-to-one of my old recipe. So we love spinach. I have a bag of frozen spinach here that I heated up in the microwave. I pressed most of the water out. You don't have to get it super dry like if you're making spanakopita, but you want to get some of it out because that's just going to make your quiche way too soupy. Blech. So, got my pie shell already made. This is going to be so simple.
This is an accidentally vegan
Pie crust.
Right.
You don't have to pre-bake. Don't worry about a soggy bottom. You don't have to worry about that. I'm going to dump this whole bottle in there.
Dang.
Whoa!
Whoa! Did you shake that?
Yes.
Okay. Oh
All
my
right.
goodness.
So I'm going to put the whole bottle in. Let that bleed out a little bit. You guys can't see it, but Maddie is cringing so hard over here. Come on, toughen up. All right, so this one I've also heard online, and I know from experience, is not as eggy tasting
Yeah.
as the Just Egg. So we're going to add just a little bit extra seasoning than we would normally add.
Ooh, you should put the anything but the bagel, or everything but the bagel seasoning in there.
Oh, yeah? You want
That's
to
what
try
I
that?
use when I fry up my eggs for the egg sandwich.
Well, we could try that. After all, this is a tryout video.
Yeah. I'm just saying, for me, this is more interesting than just, like, salt.
Right.
Seasoned
All right,
salt.
so we can put a little bit of that in there. How much would you put? Like
I think
that?
you could put a pretty generous amount. Yeah.
All right. We're also going to add my go-to magic seasoning salt, just like magic. So we're going to do about a teaspoon of that because, like I said, there's not that much flavor in here.
Yeah, that was the thing I noticed when I made it. I'm really into breakfast sandwiches, and the Just Egg is like a dream for that. But this one, the flavor was off, and I feel like it cooked a lot thinner.
Right.
I don't know why, but I feel like it could be good in a quiche.
All right, so this is an 8-ounce bag. Watch my scientific measurements. This is about half.
Oh, God.
So that's like 4 ounces of the Violife grated cheese. A little bit more. Yeah, this is such a good one.
Yeah, it is.
Very scientific. Let's see. Okay. There. And then we're going to use flour as a binder. If you're, not into flour, you could try cornstarch or, what's that other one? Arrowroot. We're just going to give this a quick stir on this side, just to make sure there's no lumps.
So not incorporating the spinach yet.
Not yet. Well, now we are.
I'm excited for this.
I am very
I miss
excited for this
quiche.
as well.
We make a really good, we call it quichua with quinoa.
Right, yeah, that
But,
one's really good too.
I'm curious how this is going to turn out.
Just fold it.
Just fold it in,
That's right.
Moira.
Alright, so we just want to make sure all the spinach is coated with the egginess and the cheesiness and the flourness.
I think it's going to be good.
I hope you're right. I I hope it's not going to be soupy.
Yeah.
Nobody likes that. All right, so we're just going to plop it in there. Ooh, that's a nice...
That's nice.
You call my husband Big Boy. I call this quiche Big Boy.
Oh my gosh. Guys, I'm sad that Real Housewives of Potomac is done for the season.
I know. That really brought some much needed entertainment.
We needed that.
Yeah. All right, and I've already got my oven preheated to 375 degrees.
Ooh,
it's going to go in there for about 40 minutes and see what happens. Fingers crossed. All right, there we have it. It came out of the oven, and actually it didn't come out of the oven.
You opened the door and
opened the door and let it cool in the oven. And it's still warm. I just cut a sloppy piece.
It looks amazing.
It smells amazing.
Even better.
Well, you know what they say. The real test is in the tasting.
All right.
Let's see what
Lily,
we got.
stop licking the oven, baby.
It's legit, I think.
I mean, you just stole a taste, and
I did.
You're obsessed. I
am obsessed. It holds together really well. The texture
it just smells so good.
is spot on. That Violife cheese is everything.
Oh my god.
Does it take you back?
That is amazing.
Right?
I love how creamy that is.
It's very creamy.
Wow. Wow.
I think she's going to have this for dinner. Right
I'm going to have this for dinner. Oh my god. I think Dad's really going to like that too.
I think so.
That's a winner, baby.
I mean, that's legit. You could take that to a party. Brunch.
Whoa.
Yeah.
I love that there's so much spinach in there too.
Yeah, there is a lot of... I was almost going to put mushrooms too, but I'm glad I just stuck with the spinach for now.
Yeah, you could totally do this up however you want. I mean, we were really testing out that egg replacement here, which was definitely a success.
Right.
I'm so pleased with it. We're definitely going to be getting more of that.
Mm-hmm.
I like that we have the just egg for breakfast sandwiches and stuff like that, or scrambled type eggs or an omelet, but this is perfect for a quiche, and it's cheaper.
And I think your suggestion of putting the everything but the bagel seasoning was really good.
Thank you.
Because I can kind of taste a little bit of garlic in there.
Yeah, I think it's a nice touch.
Awesome.
Guys, I'm so excited. I'm definitely having this for dinner tonight. We were going to have something else, but I'm having this.
Quick and dirty.
It's really good.
It was good. It worked out.
Yeah.
Finally.
So let us know if you try it. I'm obsessed with it now.
We have been searching for a quiche replacement for a long time.
Yeah.
And we just stumbled into that one, boy.
That's a winner.
All right. Veganuary. Here you go. Sunday brunch.
All right, guys. Let us know what you think. Leave it in the comments. And if you're not already subscribed, subscribe. And until next time, much love.